Cherne values safety as a top priority. While this video will give you a brief overview of safety precautions, it is not a replacement for the instruction manual, and users must read it fully before use. Always be aware of danger zones. When a plug is in use, a danger zone exists that expands outwardly in a cone shape. Never enter this danger zone when a plug is in use. Before beginning any job, be sure to follow these steps. Step 1. Select the proper plug and related equipment. Step 2. Determine the back pressure. Never exceed the plug's back pressure rating. Maximum back pressure ratings listed are for plugs installed in clean, dry pipe of nominal size. Step 3. Selecting the correct size plug. Verify the pipe inside diameter is within the plug's sealing range. Step 4. Performance could vary depending on pipe types. For example, in internally corrugated pipes, plug back pressure rating may drop by 50%. Step 5. Use calibrated gauges. Failure to use calibrated gauges could result in plug overinflation or underinflation, which could lead to plug failure. Step 6. Properly clean and inspect your plug. Do not use a plug if it has or shows any signs of wear or deterioration. The inspection should include, but not be limited to, looking for cuts, abrasions, punctures, bulges, cracks, loose or damaged fittings, and components and leaks. Step 7. Be sure to inspect the pipe and clear it of any debris or foreign substance before placing the plug. Inflation against a sharp object could result in plug rupture. Step 8. An engineer must determine if a backup system is required and must design a blocking device. An additional backup system should be considered to prevent injury or property damage in case of failure. A properly designed blocking or bracing device must be used to restrain any plug movement. Forces behind the plug could be tremendous. While in operation, it is important to be aware of the following hazards. Remember, never enter the danger zone. Monitor the plug's placement and pressure. Never use chemicals, including hydrocarbons, as they can cause damage to the natural rubber. Use the correct media when inflating the plug. Cherne plugs can be inflated with air, water, or inert gases such as nitrogen. Never overinflate or underinflate. Always release the back pressure from the pipe before deflating the plug. The plug may be cleaned with mild soap and water. Other cleaning agents may cause damage. Store the plug in a dry place, below 110 degrees Fahrenheit, away from sunlight or other sources of ultraviolet light and ozone. Thank you for taking the time to review these safety procedures. For detailed information, fully read the safety manual that came with your product. For more information, visit Odie.com.